over last Sunday, innit?
7th hole?
Yeah.
Half 5.
4 over last Sunday.
I'm
Through
5
18.
over, Zane's 5 over.
He was, yeah.
7.
No, you was 3.
Huh?
You was 3 over last Sunday on the
Was
front.
I? No. No, I'm on about the whole course.
Oh yeah,
I was 4 over. Because I was evens after 9. That's what I'm saying, bro. Today I'm cook. Chicken in the oven cooked. Overcooked. Yes,
Right.
Lewis! Wow! Wow!
In my wickedry, in my work with.
That's
Wicked
the driver me want for you.
Don't it feel good when the driver can walk?
Yeah, you're doing well with that, bro.
Recently, I have been,
Yeah, I know, but see it, I like it. Yeah, we all like it. Oh no.
It's findable, but I'm cooking, man.
We think that gone. Did you? What, inbound?
Fuck, Lee. What are you doing?
This guy. That's tight. Stinger.
Shot.
Stop though before the tree so we can get a shot in. We like that. So we are currently now 5 over in the King of the Hill. 5 over. Lee has gone right into the bushes. Lewis has hit a fucking cracking drive in the middle, and I have hit a little stinger and finished on the right hand side of the fairway, but all is well. Let's see who can get it on the green burger. Maybe eagle, maybe bird, we can see. But I think the scores are quite close. So who's gonna win? Don't know.
Right. If this goes exactly how I imagined it to go,
God, I'm not going on this patch of grass. Can I get relief from this little tuff of mud?
I've fully completed golf.
I've literally got a little mud patch here. I'm just moving it to the other side.
Trust me when I tell you this. If
I
this
know,
goes-
but I like to play an honest game with my Brits.
Wow.
Okay, I got 160 to the middle.
Boys, I
You
just
can
want
go.
to know,
No, you go.
I'm going
I'm waiting for
for
you.
it. I'm
Huh?
going for it.
Go for it.
I'm going for it.
Oh, I thought you were saying me go for it.
I need a big slice. I've seen
I
Tiger
feel
do
like
it.
this ain't enough club.
Big slice.
He's gone for
Oh
it.
my God, what a shot. Oh my God, what a shot.
Nice shot.
What a shot.
Okay, I've just
Bro,
changed
I'm
club.
fucking
I had a
sick
7
in the
iron
game.
to go 160 to the middle,
Don't
150
play
to the
with
front.
me.
But this carry is like 165. Don't have to really rass it though. And it's into the wind. Go! It's a bit fat, isn't it? What a player. What a player.
Wow.
Shot, Lou. He said bit fat and then dropped
Bit
it like
fat.
that.
Bit fat, dropped it right
What
on
a
it.
player. I thought I might put a bit of pressure on.
Fresh, bit fresh.
Did you like my shot, Lewis? Thank you. Big slice that was.
Yeah.
Can
Hadoman
work.
inspired. Jiggy.
Oh wow.
Oh, okay.
Drop with the
Zane's
wind,
all
drop with
over
the
it.
wind. Drop.
Being dragged up though.
Ross.
Is that long?
Yeah.
What'd you use?
No.
Right, so where I was in the trees to get to where I'm at now was a shot because it was 150 yards back there, behind, in the woods. And I've sliced it big time, just as I wanted to bring it here. So I'm taking that all day. All day. Lewis is on there with a very makeable eagle putt. And me is gonna use a 9-iron, bump and run it straight into the hole. That's what I'm gonna do. Put Lewis under pressure. Oh, it killed it. It killed it, good and proper. Killed it. Not a good shot there, Lee. It's on, but it's not good.
Sit. Sit. Woo! We close. God damn, we put it right on the flag.
Good roll.
No.
If you believe.
Good thump from in the trees. I take it.
Oh yeah. What a second shot.
It's another pardon.
Oh, stayed.
Bro, that would have been a banging eagle. Good. Easy bird, though. Easy bird. Love that. Love that, blood.
Why did you hit that? I don't know. Do they really want guns? I don't know. Wow! Hey. I hit him with the reverse. 5? Yeah. Good thump, my friend.
Thank you.
Wow, that could have been a bird.
And thank you for the video. Ooh, you clipped that one. Nice picture.
That was nice, wasn't
That would
it?
have been lofty. Fucking hell, you smoked that. For left!
It's not a bad hit.
Good safety.
Yeah.
Right, that land right next to them, you know.
Down
You're
there.
crazy. You see it land?
Yeah, it's down there.
Between the two bunkers?
Yeah.
They're going to be muddy enough fuck. Strike.
Yeah, you're doing a lot better with that now, Lou. Like
What are you
that.
putting that driver then?
Huh?
What are you putting that driver? Yeah, something that work. No. You'll put something in him. We like
whatever
that.
you're doing with it.
Yeah, come on, keep
is
doing
what we
it.
like. Yeah, bro. Shotzy.
Where's it going to
Towards
land?
me.
Tree line. All right. All right.
Oh. Not my best drive. 230. I guess it was into the wind, but it is downhill. Oh. Right, we have 270 to the back. So what did that drive go? 230. It's into the window, let's say that. Par 5. Got a long way to go. Don't need to do nothing too crazy, I don't think. That is bloody shite. It's the best free wood you've ever seen.
Right, what's my distance? 230. I might freewood it. Freewood it. Huh? Them man up there. Bro, I need to get this perfect, bro. I can see the fly. Cool. All right. Okay then. It's coming back. It's coming. Yeah.
I said, thank you. Let me see if I can make it work now. Right, then. We got one, right,
Okay.
170 to the front.
Whoa.
180.
Shot number
I've got the wrong club.
3.
Hello, Louis.
Okay, I got 1, 3, 7 to the back. 1, 3, 7. I got an 8, but it's
I'm gonna
probably
hit.
too much.
Coming to watch you.
Too much.
It's
club,
190 to the middle.
innit? Too much club.
I'm gonna hit
What
6.
club
I had an 8,
6,
And
6,
but my yardage was wrong at the time. I got
Right,
1, 3, 6 to the back.
6
so my
iron in
last shot
hand.
went 134 yards.
189 to the middle. Hopefully a slight
go.
draw. If I catch it well. Right,
Okay,
let's
I'm
give it
gonna
a
aim
try.
a bit right.
Ooh, Rihanna far.
Actually, I'm going for the middle. I'm going for the middle of the green. Not going for the flag, nothing like
And
that.
it's drawn. And it's drawn.
Oh my
And sit
God.
down.
If that's the club, that's all over it. Oh my word. Oh my God. Bro,
What a shot.
Less than that, innit?
ridiculous,
People,
bro.
I just hit the shot of my life. Wow, I hope we get on the tracer.
What a player.
What a player, what a golfer.
That's pressure now.
Fuck.
Bugs are in play as well.
Oh, okay. Sweet then.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, mate. Move that out of the way. I got 58, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it's... Nah,
Yeah, you land it at the front and it skips forward regardless.
I don't think
Well,
it
you
will.
do your thing. I'd rather you fucking fuck it up. So. Oh, no pressure. Not bad that. Is that a birdie putt?
Yeah, yeah. Great shot, Z.
Every year.
Yeah, cracking shot.
Great shot, both of you.
Bro, when I said on
So
the
what, you
video,
got a
we
birdie
need
putt and you're
little
putting
draw.
3 goals, Zane?
Huh?
Lee's got a birdie putt and you're putting 3 goals.
Yeah, I'm not going to stress it though.
And I'm playing 4.
You can still chip in for bird.
Yeah.
It's possible.
It's
If I-
it's
It'd be possible if I weren't holding the club. We've got a shot for 4. We need an up and down.
If you believe, do you believe?
I believe. I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe. I believe. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good, Curtis.
Yeah,
Sit.
good effort, mate.
It's not terrible.
Flagging her out, bruh.
Have it out, please, Bridget.
Okay, bruh.
Thank you, bro.
With that shit like so. Are you getting angles?
It's alright.
It don't hurt. Left, right, left, right, left, right in the hole.
Really
Right.
enough far, no.
Got about
Good.
10 foot putt.
Could have done with not duffing that last one, to be fair.
It's important, this putt.
Emily. Go on.
Wow.
I'd let you have that, but you made the stupid rule.
Yeah, fact.
It's all right.
Should we just all go good, good, good?
No.
Damn.
I'm not even going to be stupid with it.
Don't be stupid with it.
Stupid
I'm
with
not
it.
be stupid with it. We're going to tap it in when we can.
Don't stand behind him because he'll do penalty shots and all them things, bro.
Yeah, you know the drill.
But our phone's going to get my shot.
No, they're waterproof.
Yeah.
Any chance?
Sorry, bro.
Bit of quiet. Do you know what I mean?
Good shot.
You got it.
I don't think the rain helping, Bridget.
Of course it's not.
Fuck me, my gimbal gonna be mash up. My gimbal go.
These sort of ones here, yeah, you don't even really have to think too much
Alright,
about
don't
it.
think too much then, Bridget.
Just tap it and go on.
Yeah,
Perfect.
What?
Good fall, good fall.
Cheers, bro.
What a player.
Woo!
Good birdie, Zane.
Welcome to the real world, baby.
See? People will now see that I'm actually sick.
Yeah, but it's wet now. We want it to dry.
We're rolling, yeah?
Yeah. We're rolling. We're rolling.
Lights, camera, and
Okay.
action.
So what, are you...
I'll count the scores.
You're still 4, innit?
I'm 4 now as well.
Maybe.
Lewis is 4 because you parred that one.
Okay, yeah.
So he's 4, I'm still 7 and you're...
Oh.
Yeah, I'm cooked. I need a hole in one.
Well, we could both shank here, get OB, and then you could come with a bird.
You put that in your head when you're on the tee box. So when I am.
It's already in my head.
No.
I got a 6 iron.
It's at the back though, innit?
Could be good. Oh, baby. Hola, baby. I think it's just gone
We're
left.
in play.
Toward the tree. This the miss you want.
But not the miss I need.
No, the miss you need is on the green. Left hand side. Me need
Pass
one.
the Dutchie.
Me can't, me not have one.
Fuck it, no tea
Me
then.
not have Dutch pot.
Go no tea. Cool. All right then. Hole in one for the channel, for the culture.
On the green to make a difference. Make a little change. If the tee wanna sit in the fucking ground. No thoughts, just swing. Alright, yeah.
Wow.
Not
Is
enough
that the
club.
club?
Put a tracer on that, maybe, Chavi.
Yeah.
Can work.
Down there.
Yeah,
It might be,
baby.
yeah.
It's on, the man. Thank you.
Good shot.
It's not ideal, is it? Haven't done myself any favours here, but we'll clean him off. We'll place him maybe a bit more in a bit more of a grassy spot. Okay. There's not a bunker there. There's not a bunker there. There's not a bunker there. Not bad.
Yes, he said we're winning. You two are drawing, innit?
Well, unless we can put this in the old.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we got to wait half hour for you to set up.
Yeah, that's true. But you know what? After that, it's going to the old.
It better do. You're
Yeah, it
making
will.
me wait for it. Don't make me wait and then
You want my
disappoint
divotal?
me.
You want it? You said, man, I need it.
I need this to go in, and then you two to get a 4. If you
Right.
get 4 and I get this,
That's deep. You wishing
so I need
things
to
on me
birdie
like
and
that,
you two
brother?
need to bogey.
You wishing not think bad things like that upon me?
I reckon I got this still. Clutching ton. Good effort, bro.
Good roll.
Oh, damn.
Flag out, Baron.
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Good roll.
Oh, I just needed to start up.
This is for the
It
win, you
needed
know.
to start up.
Who's for the win?
Me and you now.
Is it?
This is like the winner.
Yeah.
What? Are we
We're both
tied?
5 over.
You're tied. Yeah, you're
No,
both
we
tied.
ain't.
Yeah, we are.
Right,
Yeah.
look how
5 over with 1 putt to go.
No, you're both.
like
You're
that.
4 over, I think. Both
Oh,
of you.
even better then. I like that. That sounds even better.
You're 4. I'm 6.
Rah.
And you got the camera angle. Right, mine's got a clutch for 10 foot putt.
10
yeah,
foot.
Your eye line then.
Wow, I wish you was
Oh,
calculating.
6 foot.
I wish you would be recording my height.
What you got there? 6 foot?
Yeah, I'll take that.
Nah, it's about.
I
Yeah,
reckon you
7
got 6
foot.
foot.
7 foot.
Yeah, something like that.
6 foot. 7 foot.
8 foot, 9 foot.
You stuck it as well.
He loves them
Ooh.
pressure
You
putts.
put it on me,
He
mate.
loves them pressure putts.
You said yes on you.
Okay,
buddy.
okay, all right.
I'm just here for decoration.
Decoration and that.
Yeah, you put it on me. He said, yeah, you have to put it now. Right.
I'm
then.
here for straight up decor purposes.
You're here because you look nice.
Got it. Looks like you're tied.
Yes, broski, but like that. Yay!
What are you picking up for? You got to put out, lad.
Don't worry. 7.
Game.
Well done, brother. Hey, at least I turned up.
Wow. I would have finished that then. We like that.
The marker is this. I thought it was a little stone, but it's actually a rabbit dropping. So I'm glad I didn't use my fingers for that. Okay, so yeah, Zane, 4, 4, 5, so 8, 13, 17, 22, 27, 32, 36, 39. What a player. Brownish,
You're not
you had
recording.
13, 18, 22, 25, 29, 34. 34 plus 8, 42.
Fuck.
What's that, 7 over?
Bad. That's what that is.
And I had 5, 5, 5, 15, 19, 23, 27, 31.
Embarrassing.
31 plus 8, 39. Wow, we tied, Zane.
Well
Yeah,
done, guys.
man.
Oh,
Well
Lord.
done, mate.
We like that.
Well done.
Good game, good game, good game, good game, good
Game.
game, good game. Enjoyed that, Lee. Well done. Lee's sad right now.
Oh, it's all right.
That's it. That's the first match play. First one for the channel.
Yes.
9 holes. Results are Lee had 42, Zane had 39, and I had 39. I mean, what a round. We definitely left some shots out there.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
got a mate.
You two played really well, considering.
I thought you played really well. It was a game of 2 halves for you
Yeah.
on a front nine. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, the last, 5 holes?
You didn't have a bogey.
The last 5 holes were good.
I feel like you showed your capabilities there.
Yeah. Sorry about everything.
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 Not just the goal.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yes.
If you're going to comment, don't comment about my golf because I'll literally come to your house. And you'll have a Volvo XC60 parked in your kitchen. So.
Yeah, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos. Interact with us. Let us know the feedback. See you next time. Let's go.